Tired of messy data entry in your spreadsheets? Let's transform your Excel sheets with powerful drop-down lists. Imagine this: no more typos, no more incorrect entries today. We're diving into creating multiple-choice drop-down lists in Excel, making your data entry a breeze and your spreadsheets incredibly accurate. First, we need to identify the cells where you want your drop-down list to appear. For this example, let's say we want to create a list for product category in column B. Now, let's create our list of choices. Go to a different area in your workbook or a separate sheet and type in each of your desired options, one per cell, in a contiguous block of cells. Once your list is ready, select all the items in your list and then copy them. You can use the copy button on the Home tab or the keyboard shortcut stroke. Navigate back to the cell where you want the first drop-down to appear. In our case, this is cell B2. Next, click on the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. Within the Data Tools group, you'll find Data Validation. Click on it to open the Data Validation dialog box. In the Data Validation dialog box, go to the Settings tab under the Allow drop-down, select List. Now, click into the Source box, then go back to where you typed your list of choices and select the entire range of those items. Excel will automatically insert the correct cell range into the source box. Finally, click OK to apply the data validation. You'll now see a small drop-down arrow appear in the selected cell. Clicking on that arrow will reveal your predefined list of options. You can now select your desired option to apply this drop-down to multiple cells. Simply select the cell with the drop-down, then drag the fill handle down to the remaining cells. And there you have it, your very own multiple-choice drop-down lists, ensuring consistent and accurate data entry every time. Try it out and see how it streamlines your workflow.